if you're going to do this, you're going to make some money, you're going to build some assets, you want to protect them.
Welcome back to Pine Financial Videos. We sure appreciate you following our Facebook page and also checking out all of our videos on YouTube. I'm joined by our COO and General Counsel, Jared Seidenberg. And Jared, when we're getting into this fix and flip game or starting to get into real estate investment, there's a lot of do's and don'ts and a lot of question marks and folks just wondering what they're supposed to do. I know for me, when I got started, me and my partner, we thought, well, should we start an LLC? Should we just go under our true names? We weren't able to find a lot of literature on that. What's your advice? Should we have started that LLC?
Yeah, I really appreciate this topic. We have this conversation in our office a lot. And guys, if you are interested in this type of content, I am delivering it to you on a fairly regular basis when I'm giving insights into what we call in the office kind of our legal corner. These are insights from the general counsel. We talk about stuff like this. And boy, I'll tell you, this topic comes up in almost everything we do. It is super important to know how you're going to do your business and what your goals are. And so what I tell people is, look, if you're just going to do this once and you're not quite sure, maybe the LLC doesn't make a lot of sense, any entity doesn't make sense, but boy, as an attorney, and guys, I got to tell you, this is not legal advice, this is legal education. I'm not your lawyer. I don't know your circumstance. Please get your own counselor because that's going to help you. But I always cringe when I see our borrowers not operating with an entity. The name of the game here is to protect yourself and to limit your liability. That's why the LLC is called the Limited Liability Company. You can do this in LLPs, LLLPs, S-corps, corporate, all sorts of stuff. But the point of it is figure out what fits your structure and get one, right? Because if you're going to do this, you're going to make some money, you're going to build some assets, you want to protect them. And the only way you can do that is with some type of entity.
So I think a lot of people think that this is going to be a difficult thing to do. Is it difficult to start an LLC?
Boy, here's the best lawyer answer I can give you. It depends. But no, the reality of it is it really isn't that hard, especially in particular states in the country. Our state, Colorado, makes it super easy. My lawyer friends out here are going to cringe when you hear this one because they're going to want to charge you for it. And really, guys, you should have some advice. Don't go willy-nilly on this stuff. But the process to file an LLC, for example, in Colorado, can take you about 20 minutes. Now, you go on the Secretary of State website. After you've picked your name, you register it, fill out some paperwork, you get your articles of organization, and you're done. Now, if you don't have an operating agreement, it'll default to the state statutes. That's a deep topic that we don't need to get into, but that's where you can take some time, is really forming that agreement. That's where the rubber meets the road. That's where you get the contours of your deal.
So basically, protect yourself, protect your assets with the LLC. And as you mentioned, Jared will be giving out legal tips on pinefinancialgroup.com. We appreciate you logging on. Be sure to click that like button and subscribe. We'll see you next time.